How to protect your Grab account from fraud. First of all, open the Grab app and go to your account tab. Then open settings and look for the account security section. From there, enable two-factor authentication. These steps add an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code whenever you log in or make important changes. After that, never share your OTP or any verification codes with anyone. Even if someone claims to be from Grab support, real representatives will never ask for these codes. Next, always keep your Grab app updated. Updates not only improve performance, but also fix security vulnerabilities that fraudsters may try to exploit. Then, avoid clicking on any suspicious links sent via message, email, or social media. If you need to access your Grab account, do it directly through the app instead of using outside links. It's also important to use a strong and unique PIN. Avoid using common patterns like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finally, check your transaction history regularly. If you notice any unknown bookings or payments, report them immediately through the help section of the app. And that's it. Now you know how to protect your Grab account from fraud. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.